easy on that machine. You're gonna break it.
Yeah, didn't come out here to break this machine. Also, I didn't come out here every 10 minutes to put a dime in there just to hear that machine go. Lost my dime into that machine right
All right, now, don't get excited.
Right.
Let's see here, get it back. There you go.
Right.
Well, now, mister, you put a slug in there. I could have you arrested for that.
Well, that's really comical. I didn't put no slug in there. I put the dime in there and put it in there.
Yeah? It's the first dime I've seen with a picture of Daffy Duck.
Well, look, Blue Knight. I want When that coin went in there that had the picture of Roosevelt on it. I don't want to come out there. I put the dime in there, Mike.
I don't care now. You just lighten up on that machine, or there's going to be trouble. Now, you be a good fella.
All right. Trying to get it out there. Turn straight down there, Barney. Now, down there. All right. That in there. Thanks. All right. That's about the last time we're going to do that. We can't do that.
Look, buddy! I'm warning you again. Stop abusing that machine.
I'm not abusing that machine. I'm telling you that machine is eating my dimes.
How come you're the only one that complains?
I don't know. I'll tell you what. I give you a dime right there. You put that dime in there. You see the dime.
All right. There you go.
All right.
Out of order, huh? Will you start kicking this machine again, and I'll put you out of order.
All right. Shut that off now, boy.
All right, buddy, I warned you. This is my last warning. Come along with me. Come on. What are you doing?
You just stand right over there, boy. Nobody's taking me off at the who's gal.
Who's now? Listen, I'm just a lousy building guard. I'm not Kojak. Give me back to my desk.
Stand back over there, boy. I'll let you have it right now. Don't you tell me that you're going to do that to me. Sure, the next thing I know that you're going to get this gun back, and then I turn to my back and you go kabang, kabang. Are they going to send it for my ma?
Ma?
Sure.
I don't believe this.
Have her try and talk me out of this, you think so? Yeah, next thing you know, she's down there yelling her head off at me, and then the newspaper gets a hold of that story, makes a whole bunch of fun of her. Then some toy company is probably making the Ma Tudball of charms. I'm going to put a hole in whoever's responsible for this right now.
I'm not responsible. I don't even drink coffee.
I know that. This is responsible.
Oh, there's your cup of coffee. All right, everything's all right. Now, do me a favor, will you, friend? Next time you come to work, bring your own coffee, huh?
See, I told you that the other. Guys are telling me that. 13 dimes here.
Free coffee.